Welcome to Vivago Academy. Today we'll be exploring the all-new upgraded image to video feature. Start by uploading your image, drag and drop or click to browse. Next, describe your vision in the prompt box. Our prompt bot acts like your AI co-pilot. Hit magic prompt, it auto-optimizes prompts based on your image and existing input. Lightbulb moment? Hit this icon to wipe the slate clean and restart fresh. Let me break down the prompt engineering logic step by step. Here's how professionals build AI-generated scenes. Phase 1. Core Foundation. Start with a simple subject-verb sentence. Phase 2. Emotional layer. After initial generation, inject personality. Phase 3. World building. Now expand the environment and cinematography level. Up your prompts by exploring these pro-creative dimensions. Camera choreography, multi-character interactions, environmental storytelling. Finally, pick your model. For best results, we recommend Professional 2.0, our latest model with hyper-realistic motion and smoother transitions, exclusively for subscribers. Next, select the desired duration for your video. Ready to create? Hit generate and watch your image come alive. Share your AI-generated videos in our community.